7 Nigerian military kpai for inside Borno state as Boko Haram go carry bomb pull for down as they use their motor pass na the thing go explode kpai 7 Nigerian military and no news carry am. As we dey talk right now, they say the politicians and be exposed because as they carry gun they give our youth may they take they prepare themselves and they protect them and also for the oncoming protest on 1st August. My people, as it don't be like this now, Nigeria Navy don't come outside say they don't destroy one illegal oil mining for inside the River State. No be small thing. The Yorubas, one Yoruba elder don't come outside come talk say na Igbos na dey destroy Lagos, and the Igbos this protest wey wan come now say na Igbo na dem dey plan am and na dem wan destroy Lagos. Things are happening. My wonderful people, let us go and look inside this thing as it dey happen. Don't forget to share this video and make sure say you dey follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot. We dey here dey bring you ogbonge news as it dey happen back to back. My wonderful people, now let us go and watch the videos. I'm going to play you this video for you to see how the politicians are using our youth against their fellow youth. And as the Nigerians are planning to protest, this is what they will expect. Their fellow youth will be the one that will confront them. You may not even see the military itself or the police, but their fellow youth will be the one that will attack them. You see the country you are living inside. Just watch the video. Watch this video first before we come back and continue.
What is your name?
Agogo down there.
Huh?
Agogo down there. Yes.
For where? For room here, before where?
Room me doing there.
Okay. This gun. This gun.
Yes.
Now two. I've been at one.
Now two.
Now two.
Yes.
What you for sale?
Now Kelly give us. Now we take good rally.
Who be Kelly?
Kelly, local government chairman.
Look, the local government chairman for where?
For Rumi.
Kelly?
Yes, sir.
Now I give you?
We take garden.
We take garden?
Yes.
Which time they give you?
In the afternoon. For that evening rally, when we do today now.
And in the afternoon, I give you?
Yes.
So maybe take garden?
We can garden.
Okay. As you come take a garden?
Yes, sir.
Where the clothes for the rally? What is going to happen?
I can't go. Want to go for Kashawo.
For which hotel? For which hotel?
For Central.
For Central?
Yes. Now they will go for me.
Okay. You say na Kelly give you?
Yes, sir.
As he can't give you now when they finish rally, why you know return am back?
That time, I can't go for Kashawa. I can't go for Kashawa that time. I go with customer go for Kashawa.
Which time they take clothes for the rally today?
You know, see now they close that can around 4, so we can't gather stay with their royal condition money, so we know we come up for there.
How much the share give you?
Now this rich man 9,000.
Where the money now?
It was inside my pocket just now.
It inside your pocket?
I can't go for Kashawa for inside.
Okay, you can't use inside take for Kashawa?
Yes.
Then, when are for the sea bullet?
Now then this is the supply.
Who they supply?
With no, when we take they forgive me.
Listen. Who they supply you bullet?
Sana, with their local government boys now. When for the check,
what did they call the local government boys?
Their name. They are nowhere. They are nowhere with the. Nowhere with the
nowhere. Who be nowhere?
Nowhere now.
What you build to local government chairman?
Who here? All those who here. We be all those people when they want to apply for tanker. Where would they?
Where that one they stay? Where that one they stay?
Nah, they are local government. They don't coach just now.
They did there.
Yeah.
So now you say now local government chairman now do waiting.
Now we take guy. Now give us more take.
Now give you the gun.
How
many guns you give you?
Pump passion day now. They all those one day with them. All those.
How many pump passion you give you?
It is like 2. We are nowhere.
2.
Then
this gun where you hold. What did they call him?
No.
Do you see where the problem come from the politicians? For example, when you come today, they will tell you that is this one, that one is the politicians. They are the one who are bringing all the whole problem in the country. So my people, let us go and watch this video, and this is the response of the people from this community. They say that the illegal gold minings in the north, we never hear one day say Nigeria army or police bust that place. They go catch them. No, they happen. But now for oil, where they for River State, now they always the boss say now because of the oil where the people they collect, now they shorten the oil where they suppose they get. I want you to watch this video.
One. So this is an illegal crude oil refining site here in Accuses, by Mandon local government area of River. Come. Now, all these sacks you see here are sacks of crude oil. It's not sacks of rice. It's liquid. Liquid is inside all of them. Come. You see? This is crude oil. This is crude oil. It's crude oil. So it's a major operation. It's ongoing. Massive operation. The Nigerian Navy, led by this man here, Commodore Desmond Igbo, is the commander of the Nigerian Navy ship Pathfinder. They discovered this place inside somebody's compound. Okay, you people tried. You people found this place. So they said they've arrested 2 people, and they are still trying to track down the other people because it's a massive operation that's ongoing here. Now, if you remember 3 weeks ago, the Nigerian Navy launched the 3rd phase of Operation Delta Sanity, which is an operation designed to reduce crude oil thefts in the Niger Delta. Nigeria is supposed to be producing 2.5 million barrels of oil per day, but because of crude oil theft, that number reduced to about 1.5. And the other numbers, of course, are in places like this. Now, see, look forward. You'll see, this is a chicken farm. This is a poultry, but they have converted the whole poultry to a storage facility for their crude oil, their illegal crude oil products. Come, let's go this other way. Let me show you something. Now, the environment is gone. You can see the environment is already gone. Right? Now, let me show you. See, because of the leakage, sorry, don't fall. Because of the leakage of the oil, you can see that this is oil. Do I need to put my finger there? Let me show you this. Now, look at this. You can see this is crude. Look at it. You see that? Everywhere. Massive operation ongoing here. But it's safe to say that these men are going to have their day in court. The Nigerian Navy, they're not playing. They're not playing. Like you said, when they are ready to walk, they always walk.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video. Okay, let us also watch this video and see the Igbos are never even joined the protest, and this is what the Yorubas are saying. Watch this video.
Protest you. What I've been saying in Yoruba is that the planned nationwide protest is a strategy, new strategy by the Ndigbo to destabilize or truncate the democratic governance in this country, simply to vent their spleen on Yoruba nation. But they are not happy as they lost the 2023 presidential elections. They are not happy. And those who are canvassing for this insurrection, the felons, they are felons canvassing for this insurrection, are either Labour Party members or IPOB, the Igbo stock in that party. Why? So I want to appeal to the youth and the elders, patriotic citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to shun that protest. The protest is aimed at truncating the democratic process, and we should not allow that. Let us remember what happened in Kenya, what happened in Sudan, what happened in Libya, what happened in Syria. Since the internal crisis broken out, I mean, things have never been the same in those countries. Why should we have, untold hardship on ourselves by some miscreant elements, those who want to destabilize this country? Even if we want to destabilize the country, it is not the time that Yoruba is in charge. It will not happen. It will not happen by the grace of God. So those who are planning this devilish protest should please avoid coming to any Yoruba state. Take your protest to Abuja or your...
My wonderful people, welcome back as I've watched that video. When I don't hear them, they say that the protest, Ndigbo, now then they plan them to destroy the Nigeria government or whatever they claim. Oga, you are old and by this time supposed to get a konuche. But however, people like you don't have a konuche because they have given you 5,000 to drink shekbe. That is why you are speaking this thing. That is the vomiting this thing that coming out from your mind, from your mouth. However, let me leave you in comment section. May they respond to you over there. My people know as this one day happen, they say that as it be like this now, the palliative wey Tinubu share to Nigerians, they say some people they say the palliative they give their own people. Watch this video before we come back and continue.
Please, I want you people to come to our aid. This federal government food here, and they are changing it and share it to the market. They are changing not for sale, and now they are changing it to another bag. They wanted to sell it in the market, but we hijacked them here that they will not take the food out until they share the food to the people that are supposed to be. And the person said it that he have the allocation from Ministry of Agri. Please, I want you to come to our aid. We want you to come to our aid. This is what they are doing. Tomorrow they say government. This is not for sale. Federal government assists food. Please come to our aid. Video it very well. Video it. These people are hungry. I bought one beast today. One tin beast. I bought it 318 naira. 318 naira. One mudu of the beast now is 30.
My people, welcome back as you have watched that video. And I don't see am. Now be the country where you say it go everly better. But however, it don't be as it don't be, and I will say more bring and come show on. I beg share the video for more updates so that other people go know what they go on for inside this country. So drop in the comment section what do you think about what the Yorubas, this Yoruba elder or whatever he call himself, is saying about the Igbos. Do you think that this man need more shekwe so that he can vomit more things for a mat? Or drop your own opinion inside comment section. I see the hot.